Welcome everybody. We're back again. Ollie, good morning. Hey, good to see you. All right. Let's start the day. And let's see what happened. Quite interesting though. The move that happened yesterday, just before market open. This was the Trump news right here, created these relative equal lows down there. Daniel, hey, good morning. And Ezekiel first. Yeah, almost, but on the top. Now, welcome, Ezekiel. Farhad, good morning, Farhad. Good to see you. All right. Relative equal lows. So this was right before, a little bit before market open yesterday. This was the comment on Trump. The comment from Trump about the tax issues or something. But hey, to the tick, relative equal lows. Quite interesting. And what a dump here during or after midnight. Let's see. This was like almost 60 points instantly. Well, the thoughts for today is definitely to watch for 641, but since it's so obvious, everybody wants to go short. Everybody wants to take out that sell side liquidity, most likely retail traders just like us. So everybody wants to take that, and that's why I'm a little bit skeptical. It might squeeze up everybody. I mean, we have some Asia highs, look at this. All these levels up there. Definitely orders and stops are resting above these areas. So I can imagine a squeeze here. But I think we have a good chance that throughout the day, the 641 will be taken. So hard to say. Naomi, good morning. Hey, Naomi. So yeah, it's hard to say. I'm not sure. Not sure. At this point, I can imagine this one is gonna get squeezed all the way up, all the way up to like somewhere around the midnight level at the 720s. It's definitely in the cards. So get ready. And here comes the squeeze. We have Swiss news, by the way. Can see more room on the downside. Yeah, there's definitely room on the downside. So, but first, this could be a tricky one. That's what I'm saying. If we go to the 5-minute, well, maybe. I don't know. Feels like it can go back to the midnight level here. On the 15-minute chart, the next available fair value gap would be above 752. So we'll see about that. But anything is possible. Okay. So are we going back to 720 midnight area? Who knows? Nobody knows. Swiss cheese? Yeah. Good afternoon or good morning. I guess it's afternoon for you. Welcome, D. Apex getting sued by co-founder for 40 million. Wow. I heard something about that, but I wasn't sure if it's real or not. What could be their issue exactly? I don't know. I guess it's all about the money, right? Okay. All right, are we going up to the 720? Who knows? Wow, this one is still going. Non-payment for tech under copyright. Oh, I see. Well, I don't know if it's going to be in trouble or something. There's definitely going to be a long period of, you know, court proceedings, I guess. But I mean, it's I would say it's an inside thing in between Apex owners. So I'm just watching the chart here. What the heck is going on? Are we going back to the midnight anyway? I mean, I gotta say that Apex support is absolutely way faster than it was before. That is something I can definitely say 100% sure that Apex support is much faster. Whenever I ask a question in business hours, I usually get a reply within like an hour or something. Like before it was days, 2 days at least. Are we gonna go? Are we gonna go back to midnight area? Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'm their only customer right now. No problem. No problem. I'll try to do what I can. Well, yeah, it could be a bull trap. Could be a bull trap. A little bit dangerous here. Not sure. I wonder if it wants to take out that 721-ish. Malo, welcome. Good to see you, Malo. All right. Did we just stop here? Is it gonna pop or not? Long from 688. Wow, you're holding it. Nice. Looking for 21,740. Up 1,200. Dude, you should close it. Okay, then. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Follow with the stop. Whoa, look at that. Just went through. Just like that. All right, took some liquidity now, which is, I would say, positive news. I wonder if it will try to go through that level there, which is right equal high at 2750. Not sure. Not sure. Made this equal highs, so we have Swiss news in 18 minutes. Sold 5. Let's go. Oh, $1,350 times 3. This is how you do it. Congratulations, man. Okay, so is it gonna take the double top here or not? So now we can say that some liquidity has been taken. All right, some liquidity has been taken. Yeah, let's see. Welcome, Wiz. Oof, you were holding it, man. You were definitely holding on to it. Okay. This could be an interesting. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm going to try out something here. I'm going to try out something. This is pretty much inverted this gap there. I wonder how much it would be if I would risk. Oh yeah, no, 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 no. No, I'm not risking that. Wow, what a drop! What a drop! So that was the liquidity sweep. Now it might be back to continue its way up. Let's see. Whew. It's dropping. It is dropping. And no stopping. Moving stop to break even. Yeah. Hey, Big G. It's just that daily discount, premium, and dropped. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder how is it going to react to this gap here. You see it's going up there now. And, you know, it might want to... go up there, you know, take this inverted gap and then go down. Who knows? You see how nicely this is why I put this line here. Like this 1 minute gap after liquidity was taken, inverted this gap, went back into this insertion point, or I don't even know what to call it, and then boom, going down again. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Let's go. If you reach 919, I'm funded. You're funded again. Let's go. Let's go, Alex. I hope you will be. I hope you will be. Welcome, by the way, Alex. How was the week so far? Good to see some new people. I know you were you were here before, I guess. I'm not sure. Oh shit, hey there. You're in long? Let's go. Be careful. But I think there, yeah, I'm watching this also as a possible opportunity maybe. But if I look at the 5 minute, I mean all these levels up here were happening. I mean, here, that would be the Asia high up there. So if we consider that as Asia high, I would say we definitely have places to go here. Okay, this 5-minute fair value gap has been repriced and now acting as support. It could be pushing it higher as we see it right now. And if it does, then it can go all the way, I would say maybe all the way up to the 40s. Super easy, right? Jeff, hey there. Ben had first class tonight. Oh, nice. That is awesome. That is awesome. That is cool, Jeff. I wonder how much time does it take for them to learn everything. I mean, does this whole thing takes like a few weeks or months? I guess 22K this week. I mean, yeah, it's possible. You know, NQ is just moving higher and higher. There's no stopping. Long from 500 exited. Jesus, that was nice. Once we have their agility. Oh, that's cool, Jeff. Okay, so what's it gonna be? We're just stopped here. NQ unplugged, waiting for the news, or what is happening? January, February. Okay, then we go to 2 weeks. Okay, so it's the whole process is gonna take a few months then. Nice. That's cool. That is awesome. Look at this. It's going sideways. You know, that's why I was watching this, since I thought that after this one swept the highs on the 1 minute, inverted this gap, it might gonna go lower, but it seems like it's just not going. And I almost jumped into a trade there. So it's still looking good, but I feel like there could be a trick into this. Maybe. Not sure. but it feels like a tricky one. So are we going down or what? What's it gonna be? Hey Juan, what up? What up? Welcome. I'm watching this. We have the news almost at the news, technically. Waiting for London Open could be. Started a small challenge, haven't taken any trades yet. Yeah. Yeah. Open a cash account, 200. That's also a wise choice, you know. Feels like a bull trap. Yeah, it could be. You know, this one was nicely inverted there. So I have no idea what this one wants to do. I guess we have to wait for this news in about less than 2 minutes and we'll see more. Hey, thank you, Juan. Thanks for being here. Welcome again. Nicholas, hey there. Bowser, welcome, Bowser. Good to see everybody. And again, Juan, welcome as a new member of the channel. I mean, not technically a member, a subscriber. Yes. What is happening here? All right, news coming out in 30 seconds, and we're gonna know more. After that, maybe we can decide where this one wants to go. Again, if you look at the higher time frame, I think everybody wants to take out the 641 down there. So that makes me wonder. All right, 6 seconds. Swiss CPI. I don't even know what. CPI, yeah, Swiss CPI. Nothing special. I don't think that it's gonna affect the Nasdaq too much, but who knows? You never know. So news came out. Nothing special. I guess the market will wait for London Open. Until then, we're just gonna have to wait. All right, what's happening here? Sultan Yoraget, good morning. Yeah, it's been a while for you. Where have you been, man? Yeah, everybody's green. Tissue eyes, we have two CDs from low. Oh, yeah. There. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No wonder why. Welcome. Good morning. Dan, good morning. So I guess we just have to wait for this London Open to see what's going to happen. Because for now, there is nothing special. Some levels here up at 760 would be a first possible fair value gap that could be interesting target if it's going to continue being bullish. The problem is we still have to break through the high, but I think it's going to do it. Look at that. It's going to do it. Has to go through all the way up to the 40s maybe or higher. Moved houses, moved countries. A lot has happened then. All right. Did you observe that nest fall overnight? Yeah, that was interesting. That was very interesting. What the heck happened here? I have no idea. Good morning, Karsten. Oh, well, that was yesterday. We had an awesome trade on the New York session. So I really enjoyed it. I think it was super great. So I really like that trade myself. You're out? That's a wrap. Oh my god. Let's go. 700 times 3. That's how you do it. That's, you know. Congratulations, Malo. Let me give you an applause here. That's a huge achievement. Again, another payout. Another payout for Malo. That is how you do it. No. Yesterday, I closed everything at that level. It was a nice trade there, but I closed everything. So no runner, no runner. Closed what I could. Currently, I'm just, sitting and waiting to see if there's gonna be a squeeze to some highs here. Maybe squeeze everybody up to Asia highs. We never know. Whoa, Malo. Thank you so much, Malo, for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Thank you, man.
Coffee on me, brother. Ty as always. Love what you do.
Thank you, Malo. You the man. Oh, that's not my catchphrase. Hey, nice job on the payouts. You're really kicking it. All right. I guess until we just go sideways, there's not much to do. We have to wait for London Open, and it's hard to determine which target to go with until I don't see some sort of a displacement in one of these directions. So yeah, I'm actually blushing right now. Thank you. No wonder why. And thank you if you're thanking for Malo. So I'm just curious if London, if London will try to go for, let me go back to the 5 minutes. Sorry, now this is the 5 minute. If London will try to go for these lows there, because like definitely everybody wants to see that, but again, it's a tricky one because this was news here yesterday. This was news. So retail traders want to go short while manipulation can push it higher. That's why this one is a tricky one. Michael, good morning. Welcome, Michael. Bit of a drop here. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. think if this keeps up making trading your soul job. Well, you know, Malo, you're pretty much consistent on payouts. Some pay 6. Yeah, so I'm not saying quit instantly your job, but you know, you definitely have to consider your future plans about, you know, about all the things here on trading, because you definitely know something. You're onto something, and I think that's awesome. I mean, I guess if one makes constant payouts for a few months, that, you know, every single month, that could give some courage to make a decision. But that's really awesome. Nice payouts there. Okay, I guess we just have to wait. The macro is coming in about 8 minutes. Right now we are in a 5-minute fair value gap, which doesn't really mean anything special for now, but you know, if it just keeps repricing this area, well, you can also see this, you know, pushing it all the way back up there. Guess we have to wait. 1 minute, well, nothing special on the 1 minute here for now. The 5 minute looks like, you know, reprice the gap. So if this one can hold, that could mean something. If not, then the low of this would be a minor sell side as a swing low at 684. So yeah, just wondering. Zach T, good morning. Welcome, Zach. Okay, nice pushback. Is gonna try to push it back up there. I don't know. A little bit seems like, you know, a possible scenario for a squeeze against the shorts. Perfectly repriced this candle, and now we have a bit of a bullish momentum here, but I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, the 5-minute is pretty much barcoded out. That's why I'm a little bit skeptical of what's gonna happen here. We're pretty much barcoded out here. Is it gonna go back up to the 20s? You know, try to squeeze these highs. We just don't know. Yeah, it's super choppy, especially the 5-minute. It's terrible. 5-minute chart. So that's why I'm saying maybe a push after repricing the gap is possible, but I don't know. It's super choppy. Nice consolidated. Yeah. I don't know what would be the play on this one now. It's getting chopped. But if this push is gonna fail, then we might gonna continue to drop like hell all the way into the downside. So far on the 1 minute, if I zoom out, it seems a little bit like a bullish flag formation ish. Not really, but yeah, exactly. Nertando, welcome. It goes to your funded account. Let's go, Alex. I hope it does. I hope it does. Yeah. So for now, it's hard to decide. All right, seems like it wants to push it. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Is it gonna try to push it once more? Because I think there's a lot of shorts and a lot of stops are resting above. All right, it's still pushing it. Ezekiel, yes, of course I promote Apex. I trade with them. I have funded accounts with them. I receive most of my payouts with Apex, and I know everybody loves Apex. And yeah, I don't care about if they have some internal lawsuit against each other. So, and actually, that proves how many millions of dollars is Apex making. So I am definitely standing by with Apex, and trust me, everybody, if Apex would go down, that would shake the whole industry, and everybody would be pointing fingers like, "Oh, blah blah blah, I told you so." No, I definitely like Apex. Jumped into 3 Bulenox accounts. Let's go. No copy trading allowed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I said, sorry, I said everybody loves Apex. Hey, Panda Trading, welcome. I'm trolling, guys. I'm trolling. I'm just trolling a little bit. Come on. But still, I'm trading with them, and I will continue to trade with them. So. Buy 20 accounts, everybody. Yeah. No, they're gonna be standing. Even whatever the lawsuit is gonna end up in between. You know. 100% is gonna be fine. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I know. No, I never mind crypto. I never mind crypto, but you know, maybe like 10 years ago somebody told me to start crypto mining, but I never got into the business there. Look at this. We are pushing. Rob the ghost. What a cat. Happy New Year, boldog új évet, bujék. All is good? All is good. Hogy mint? Yeah, NQ is definitely crazy right now, and I just don't know what to do because you know the 5 minute this here is just total messed up, and I don't want to take a trade on this, especially not on a funded account. So we have some Asia highs there, yeah, and we have the 8 p.m. open right up there. So it can still push it and squeeze it. We have a swing high at 53, but look at this. There's, I don't know, no displacement that I like. Oh, point of control? Okay. 742. Yeah. That could be a possibility up there. Yeah, that could be the 742. Still waiting. Yeah. Could be a possibility, yeah. Look at this. Wow. Could this be a push? You know, maybe up to the 750s. Or maybe not. Liquidity has been swept again at these levels. So it could be dropping again. Nothing to do here, guys. I mean, gotta wait. Maybe London, now that it's opened, show us something, but this could go on until New York kill zone. I'm watching the other charts. I'm watching gold as well, by the way, just saying. And there's just nothing I can go with. Good morning, Cedric. Yeah, we could go for the 60s. That's what I'm saying. If we could target the 750, you know. That's a nice round number. Actually, what's there at the 50s? Yeah, so we have some swing highs up there. Like, this is why I said every retail trader wants to short it. Everybody wants to go short to take out the 641 down there, and instead it just wants to keep on pushing higher above the 50s. Read the VWAP. Okay, then decision point as well. You just have to wait. You're out 3 Bulenox. 921 times 3. Malo, I think you're done. You're definitely done for the day. I'm just waiting here, watching, and Malo is taking all the profits. He's reckless. I know how it's, I know when you say you're done, 2 minutes later, okay, I'm in. That's how you do it, man. Exactly, that's how you do it. Anyway, I'm gonna watch for the 750s, but there's just no entry here, so not gonna do anything crazy. Okay, okay. Let's wait this out. By the way, I totally forgot to say that Bulenox has made a sale. Let me just put it out there for option 2 accounts. Option 2 accounts, which are end of day trailing, are down to 20 something dollars, but it has a daily loss limit, of course, soft breach. But option 2 accounts at Bulenox are for $25, $27 right now. So you can use the code TomSabo2 with the number 2 for option 2s. 50k account. If you want 100k, that's TomSabo3. But those are on sale. Yeah. So I think it's 20 something. I haven't checked it because I can't check my own code. Yeah, buy 50 accounts. I'm just saying that yesterday they changed it. Actually, I can count this. It cost 175 minus 175 minus the discount is 147. So $28. $28. So it's like 80% sale or something. I don't know. Or 85, 83. I don't know. %, I think. 83. 83% off. %, actually. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. I just cannot decide what to do here. $28 for option 2 accounts. Activation fee is $148 with Bulenox. With the TomSabo2 code. I just can't jump into a trade on this. Total sideways. I don't know. Option 2 is basically end of day trailing, which many people like better because it's not intraday trailing, but it has a daily loss limit basically. So that's the main difference. The daily loss limit is $1,200 or $1,100 on the 50K, but it's a soft breach, so you can continue to trade the other day. It's basically a copycat of Top Step accounts. I mean, I know there's no daily loss limit on Top Step X, but the other ones does have it. So that's it. That's the raw. Hey there. We'll look at the contract size is, I think, 7 mini is the maximum. 7 mini or 70 micro on the 50K. And don't go bigger than 50K because the activation fee is 200 something on the 100K account. So it's not worth it. Code for Bulenox. The option 2 account is Tom Sabo 2. So just put a number 2 for option 2 accounts after my code Tom Sabo 2. The option 1 account is just Tom Sabo. So it's on sale 84% off on option 2 accounts. And it's only good for the 50K. If you want to go with the 100K, then use the number 3. But I would not suggest to go with bigger than 50K on Bulenox because it's just expensive, you know. I mean, to activate it, activation fees are not so good. All right, still waiting, and still no entry that I like. Is this gonna drop? Who knows? Who knows? What's it gonna be? Do you know some example? Well, it's basically it works like all the other prop firms. I mean, on the funded account, you when you pass, you have to request the activation manually, so it's not automatic, but it's a 1-day pass. So you can go with a 1-day pass, which is, I think, it's a great thing that they have it. So and what else? You know, the only thing that is basically a little bit annoying that Bulenox in the new funded account agreement, they said you cannot copy trade with other prop firms. So that's the only thing that's a little bit annoying. After extra pay for Top Step. Yeah, so yeah, sorry. Good question, by the way. The thing is, Bulenox does not have a path to live account, at least not that we know yet. There has been quite a couple of, I mean, a lot of people who has been paid out by Bulenox, including myself as well. couple of payouts already taken. But the thing is that they did not advertise how they want to put their traders to live accounts. So I don't know. That's interesting. Payout requirement is the minimum payout level is $3,600. So you have to keep the safety threshold on your account at all costs, which is $2,600, and the minimum withdrawal is $1,000. So that means, and there's a withdrawal cap for the first 3 withdrawals at $1,500. So that means you have to push your account all the way up to $3,600 in order to request a payout, which I did a couple of times before, and that's how it works. Obviously, the trailing stop is locking in at 50,100. No, what? No, you don't have to stop with your XFAs. I mean, if you're talking about copy trading, you definitely can continue with Top Step. Just don't copy trade. Yeah, so you cannot copy trade. That's the annoying issue, and they just came out with this rule in December. It's a little bit annoying, to be honest, but that's what they said. So what can we do? Bit of annoying. But it is what it is. So what will it be? I was actually tempted to jump in there, but I'm not sure. I mean, this one got inverted. If I zoom this out, but also it's just a 1 minute chart, so gotta be careful. But if I zoom this out, this fair value gap has been inverted with this. So we could go lower maybe for some swing lows, I guess. Not sure. Obviously has to go through this. What's the low of this one? 06.50. Yeah, low volume. Yeah. You're a copy trader. Ah, yeah. Yeah, so you can't. Yeah, you cannot copy trade from Top Step to Bulenox. Yes, that's the problem. You have to trade Bulenox separately if you're copy trading all your accounts. No problem. Yeah, I know it's a little bit annoying. I know. I can absolutely relate to that because many of us likes to copy trade in between prop firms to spread the risk, but whatever, you know. 4600. I can request yes. If I want 41, hasn't. Yes, exactly, Bowser. Exactly. Oh yeah. Yeah, Zach. Yeah, I don't understand it as well, Nintendo. I don't know how they have the software or the technology or how this works. I don't know. I don't know how Rhythmic works. I don't know. Maybe they're sharing information through Rhythmic with other prop firms. I'm not sure. Hey, Michael. Yeah, sure. Once I passed them, does the trading drawdown end at some point? Yeah, it locks in after you reach $2,600. It's going to lock in at 50,100. So that's where it's going to lock in. So yeah, it locks in. Basically turns into static count, just like other prop firms do it. What a crazy price action here. Yeah, I don't know what they want, Cedric. That's their business policy, and I don't know why they're doing it, but it's interesting. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Bowser. Yeah. Better than no price action for sure. It is what it is. What can we do? It's a real chop. Gold's about to break out? I haven't checked on gold. Yeah, it looks like it. I mean, I was watching it, but not in the past couple of minutes or couple of 10 minutes. How much do these firms pay you for affiliating their brand? Well, everybody gets a commission after a sale, so I'm not on a fixed money or something. I get about $1 and 50 cents after a sale. So at Bulenox, for example, Apex as well, I get about $2 after a sale, something like that. Yeah. But I told you guys, without the affiliate commissions, I told this many, many times. I never made a secret. I do this full time. Without the affiliate commissions, it would be much harder for me to be here full time because I'm not consistently profitable trader. Hopefully, this year, I'm definitely hoping that the payouts are going to be much, much more than last year from trading. And, you know, I always appreciated the support, and we're going to have giveaways too this month. So, yeah, normally it's about 10-15% after a sale. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Newsly. Thank you so much. Thank you. Last year I made from trading payouts nearly $40,000. I'm gonna do a recap video. That includes Bulenox, Apex, Top Step. So yeah, mostly them, and MyFundedFutures one payout early year last year. So, but it was very hectical. I usually make a good amount, then donate it right back. I think many of us does that, Paulo, until we're not, getting to that good habit of knowing what to do. I think many of us has the same issue. You're spending time answering questions. You should make some. Yeah. What do I do? What should I make here? Should I just jump into boldly a trade? All because I got on tilt, lose discipline. Yeah, that happens to many of us. Many of us, that things happen. So, it is what it is, and hopefully, chart time practice, and learning from the mistakes can help us through those periods. But obviously, have to be very disciplined in this business. Oh yeah, new 30-minute candle. Let's go. Let's see. Is it gonna do anything? Anything positive, maybe? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. After, when you had enough of losing, that's when you start to reevaluate your trading process, and try not to take the same mistakes again when you find yourself in the same situation as before. That's the point where you maybe, you know, you can get over it. Okay, what's it gonna do now? Swap some liquidity again. What a chop fest. I'm so glad I'm not in a trade. I am so glad I'm not in a trade here. Actually, let me see, what was the London Open here? This was the first fair value gap here. Actually, I'm just curious how it's going to react for this. Where was the first fair value gap? It was actually here after London Open. This one. So now we're trading through it, and we might be inverting it. $20K a month in payouts, then buy like 10K worth of Hey, listen, then you're net positive 10K. Do I play chess? Sometimes I do. Yeah, I have a chess table right here in my desk, but mostly with the computer. How many funded account would you need minimum? I think you're good with just, depends on where you at in your trading journey. If you're just starting out, you're definitely good with one. If you have some experience, I think like if you trade them separately, I think 3 or 4 maximum is more than enough. Like 3 accounts, it can be in different prop firms. I think that's more than enough. Wow, look at this. Okay, I thought that we're gonna close now below on that new week on the first gap. Miracle, good morning. We're chop, we keep going. Oh yeah. Whoa, what was this? Interesting price action for sure. Yeah, you need money to make money. Miracle, how's it going? Good to see you. Almost 33% tax. 33% is actually better than in my country. I pay 40% as an individual. So that's not all that bad. All right. Let's see what's going on here. I actually got 2 more Apex accounts evaluations from the sale that I'm thinking to maybe full port it, but in this chop, I just can't. I just can't. Yeah, market ain't going anywhere, and as I said, I'm actually super grateful to the universe that I'm not in this, because wow, super chopped up. Are we going for Asia high? Maybe, who knows? Oh my god, 1700 on Bulenox. Okay, Malo, I know you would do it. I know. I knew you would do that. As a company, what? 40 to 50% as a company plus 20%? What? Jesus. So about 60% tech. Jesus, that's a lot. That's a lot, man. That's a lot. Dude. Marzi, good morning, Yoregat. Okay, here's the push. We should be going up to 52 now. Interesting, interesting. We have the displacement, or actually structure shift. There was one on the 5-minute, and we have technically inverted the first fair value gap here. So it should be pushing up to, yeah, all the way up to the 50s maybe. Maybe even higher to the 60s, who knows. So that would be 53. Maybe it wants to go higher for some Asia highs. We have a 15-minute gap at 61. So who knows? Who knows? No stopping on this one. Definitely no entry on my end. But it's exciting to watch this. I haven't taken a trade. I'm surprised myself as well. But we have equity open in 20 minutes, 10 minutes until macro. Oh, 20%. As you... Oh, okay. As an individual, final target yesterday high. Yeah, it could go. Could go. At the end, it's a lot. At the end, it's a lot. It's definitely a lot. It's gonna squeeze everybody. 870. Woohoo, Daniel. Congratulations. Nice. Good job there. Good job, Daniel. See you at New York. Hey, good job again. Nicely done. Yeah, it's definitely lower volume today. So I wonder if it wants to take the high at the 15-minute fair value gap, you know, higher. That's the big question. then it has to go all the way up to the 60s maybe. Yeah, next liquidity would be at 62. Oh, really? Going to Dubai? I mean, a lot of people liking that place. I mean, I never been there. Um, is it really good for not just for business, but to live as well? Is it good for living? I mean, it's definitely much more expensive, right? Than most other parts of the world, depending on how you make a living there or what you make for a living. I guess. Yeah, but need money. My entry was 417, closed it. Well, the question is, are we going for that fair value gap up there on the 15 minute, because it's basically an inverted gap from earlier up there. So I don't know. That's the 15-minute gap right there. Oh, that depends on what I mean. Yeah. I guess. Yeah. I guess I have to think about what kind of business uh, do we want to make in Dubai. Expensive but wild. If you have family and kids, need a fortune to send them to school. Oh yeah, I heard about that. It's actually takes a lot of money for education there. You have to blend in real hard financially. Yeah. Okay. All right, didn't go into the gap. It's going for the 15-minute gap. They have government schools which are almost free but not good level and hard for either. Oh, I see. Yeah, so we got into that 15-minute gap now. Asia high is next at 85. You did business in Dubai. Whoa. Nobody to trust, lazy scammers. Whoa. Interesting, Ra. Thanks for the info. My school was around 50k. Whew. Jeez, Zach. Wow. Oh yeah, macro is incoming in less than 3 minutes. So let's get prepared. Guys, I haven't taken a single trade. I have not taken a single trade in this chop, which I'm actually quite proud of. I wanted to, by the way, I had a little bit of a FOMO on the 5-minute here. Here on this move when it shifted. I was really thinking to jump in, but I was confused because of this sell side liquidity, the 641. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but I didn't take it. You know, could have jumped in here, put my stop there, boom, 1 to 2. So there's my FOMO, but no, I think Asia highs could be the next target. Watch ICT new lecture. I haven't watched it. Emirates are allowed to attend the government school. Yeah, that's a good question, Naomi. Other nationalities as well? Okay. Left runners. Let's go, Harshid. I mean, good info. I'm just not like good info, but good to know. What people are thinking who have done business there personally. Not to say anything bad about the situation because I don't know anyone there. I'm just always collecting information from people, what they know, not just about, you know, United Arab Emirates, but you know, just about everything around the world. Video trader's best place is Canary Islands. No cap gains. Oh. To be a teacher. Free schooling. Oh, that's also, well, that's not a bad idea. I mean, my fiance, she's a teacher. But only in elementary school, you know. She's teaching very young little kids, like 7-8-year-olds to 10-year-olds. So you can imagine how nerve-wracking it is. But yeah. Oh, there's a trade and avoid. Oh, I see. Yeah, someone told me that because someone told me to about company formation in United Arab Emirates, and they told me I don't necessarily have to go into the, you know, to the big city or whatever. I can just take a small city on the countryside or wherever, because it's gonna be cheaper, much cheaper. I don't know. No trade is still a trade, yeah. Yeah. So no trade yet. But it was interesting to tape read this. First of all, just check out this one. on the 1 minute for now. After the kill zone started, this one swept liquidity and then inverted this gap, went back there. I told you guys it would be a nice short here. Well, yeah, 1.5 R, so could have been a loss, but still. And then London opened, created this gap, started to go down. This could have been a loss if I take this. And then inverted this gap here, and this would have been the trade using the first fair value gap after the London Open. Boom. This could have been the move. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. You can stay in other cheap cities. 30 minutes driving from Dubai. Okay, there you go. So that's how it's done. We took out that 15-minute gap, and seemingly here's this 5-minute fair value gap here. I'm wondering if this is gonna be shifting to the downside, maybe. You know. Oops. Yeah. I just don't know. This seems like a strong fair value gap. It's like a continuation. Looks good, but whoa, Byte Media. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for joining. Desert and rattlesnakes. Stop watching movies. Looks like it's technically inverting this gap. And if it does, it could be pushing it down. Done for a session? Alright, see you in New York, Harshit. Been in a few countries? China, wow, and Korea. That's awesome. 806 on NQ longs. Congratulations, Byte Media. Congratulations. Wow, everybody made profit except me this morning. I feel like I have to blow off some steam in the gym. Oh. Jesus. Okay, what's happening now? Looks like this 5-minute was actually holding price quite well. Oh yeah. It's going. Mostly the 5-minute and the 1-minute. I try to take more trades on the 5-minute. That's one of my goals because the 1-minute could be confusing. So I try to look for the setups and the entries on the 5, sometimes the 15-minute. But as for higher time frame analysis and structure, I look at the 1 hour and the 15-minute. Of course, I check the daily and the 4-hour as well for some levels, but for intraday in the session, I usually go for the 15-minute, the 1-hour levels. That's what I like. And for now, just watching this. That's why I was watching this 15-minute gap too. So mostly, but of course, I still can't hold myself many times to enter a trade on the 1-minute, especially when I see some good price action. Yes, some volume is coming in now at the new hour, which could be good, I guess. Okay, seems like it wants to go higher. Needs to break through 790. I guess so. Yeah, we have that Asia high at 85, but yeah, the 90 would be even better. We have the 6 p.m. highs at 795. Yeah, first I'd like to see the 85. This is the 5-minute chart again. I think it can go through. Yeah. Right there. But Asia high hasn't been swept. Yeah, I think Asia high at 85 should be the final target on this one, but you know, we'll see. Just a second. Sorry, quick phone call was this. The market makers, as usual. Uh, well, it's the previous day high was swept. Oh, I don't know. The possible sweep of previous day high, yeah, 897 could happen. It was quite a run, and if you look back, we have a level here on the 1 hour chart. We were eyeballing that level, so let's just check out the 1 hour again. Look at this here. This is an order block or supply zone. You can call whatever you want it. These levels usually like to be taken out. Now, before that, there is also another level, which is the top of this candle, the start of a fair value gap, 897. So yesterday we were watching at this level. Now, if we go back here, look at this, how close it got there. We were actually watching this in the New York session. And look at how hard it wanted to go through. And it almost made it just a few ticks before that level. It just went down. And now here we are. So no surprise there if that one wants to move to that level. ICT was on the phone, yeah. I have direct connection to the market makers. I do. They're listening. They're watching the stream, guys. Anyway. Anyway. Damn, I have to be trading my Tick Trader funded account too. But I'm not going to touch the funded accounts this session. New York session. Yeah. ICT would definitely be watching the stream at this hour. Oh. Damn. Damn. Oh, by the way, just a quick information for you guys. Tomorrow, yeah, it looks a little bit heavy. Tomorrow, there might not be a London stream because I have to take my mother back to the hospital. So there will be no London stream tomorrow. Just saying. But I'll be back for the New York session. I'll be back for New York. So, but no London stream tomorrow. As long as market moves, ICT doesn't sleep moving it. Yeah. There we go. 85. 85. Hey, Kirk. Well, didn't really miss anything. There was a super choppy session here, so I think you did the right thing not to participate, Kirk. 796. Yeah, it can be possible. Look at this high. Yeah, that would be the PM market open. So yeah. Yeah, Ali, I think we can do that. I think there's a way that it will go. Hopefully we get 2000. Yeah. Oh yeah. I answered that. What is the symbol for NAS for January? Is it F? No. It's H. I think. Let me tell you exactly. It's H. Yeah. Currently it's H. Yeah. Still at H. Excuse me. All right, repricing a little bit lower. Tactical reviews, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. Welcome. Selling liquidity at 775. That could be. That could be. Cosmo. Remember, yeah, exactly. On the 9th, let's all remember on Thursday, the prop firms, most of the prop firms are going to be closed. So I guess no AM session, right? No AM session. Not even AM session. Actual, yeah. Actual orders on the book. Oh wow, look at this. 15-minute got rejected here. If I would have taken a long here, I would be stopped out by now. All right, look at this. What's this doing here? Reacted to this guy pretty much, not going for the Asia high. That's interesting. I'm telling you guys, it's very tricky. Obviously, if one would have entered from here, that could have been a nice trade there, but now there was no inversion, or was it? There was one. Interesting, by the way. I'm studying these inversion gaps too, and the way that this one got inverted up there, on this candle, the 413, and the next candle beautifully dropping down. Could have been a nice one because it was, well, not a liquidity sweep, but it was a high point. It's because of the funeral of Jimmy Carter, I think. I'm not sure. Is it because of that? I'm not sure. To my Apex PA, if I broke the stinky, if I broke it 3 times, do I have to trade for 8 more days for 20 or 24 more days? You just have to pay for the next payout cycle. 8 more days. That's it. So it's not a hard breach. Although I don't know how it works. Like you're asking for a withdrawal, then you have to be denied, and after you got denied, you just continue to trade for the next 8 days properly, and then you can ask for a payout again, and that's it. So it's a soft breach. Nintendo took a short. Let's go. Weekly VWAP. I haven't noticed that. Is there a minimum amount of dollar to be considered as trading? There's no number as minimum. I mean, I saw someone who was trading for only like 20. No, I think it's $50. $50. I think. Oh man, I have to look into this. Is it 50? For 5 days, I think. I mean, not a big number. Man, I don't know right now. They had this new rule again. Yeah, so they check it only at withdrawal. So if you know how much was that number, then consider that as the new 30%, and you just continue to trade until then. But just to play it safe, if you request a payout, then let them reply to you with an email that you're getting denied, and that's gonna reset. I think. Yeah, I know. Oh yeah. But still, about the drawdown. Anyway, just request a payout, and at least you will know. They should be writing some sort of an explanation that you were over your risk to reward ratio, and at least you will know for the next couple of days what to do. Whoa, Eduardo, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome, welcome. Honestly, guys, I don't think I'm gonna do anything with this right now. I'm gonna hit the gym. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit the gym because this is it. I don't know. I'm still thinking if I should take a trade or not on this one. Peace out, Cosmo. All right, I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm not gonna do anything with this one. We delivered price into the fair value gap. We might take Asia high, but honestly, I don't care about it. This London session was pretty much, it was exciting in a way, but I missed out my trade, so I'm still kicking the FOMO here. It's just not what I like. Yeah, there's no bias here. Yeah, what the Forex. A little longer, 183 micros. That's a good one. Yeah. I think it's better to wait for New York session. But again, thank you so much everybody for being here. I'll be back for New York. Hope to see you guys as well. Maybe we have some nice moves like yesterday. And if you would like to support the channel, please use my codes. As always, if you'd like to support, it works everywhere. The same code, TomSabo, except Tradeify. I still don't have a custom code, but if you click on my link and use the code JAN for January, you get the best discount. Bulenox option 2 accounts down 84%. Just saying, use the code TomSabo with the number 2. Okay, and still no activation fee with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Be well, trade safe, and God bless you all. I'll be back in New York. Cheers, everybody.